are keeping safe and sound. We need to make you all aware about the present situation what we are facing nowadays. Due to this COVID-19, we are facing many worse situations, and one of them is online classes. Myself, Ravin Kaur, I am here to discuss about online classes. Online classes via Skype, Zoom, etc. are really helpful for everyone in the society, especially for the children, as they get benefited with the same purpose of learning that they initially were before the lockdown started. Online classes also helps the teachers to communicate with their students and share knowledge. Due to the pace at which the online classes are functioning, the students are able to dedicate some time learning. Some advantage of online classes are online courses require to be an active learner. Online courses are convenient. Online courses bring education right to your home. Online courses offer you individual attention. Online courses have financial benefits. Online courses teach you to be self-disciplined. There are not only the advantages, there are some disadvantages of online classes. Communication with the teacher is often limited. Online courses require more than time on campus classes. Online courses may create sense of isolation. Online courses affect your eyes. There are some children who lived in villages and cannot connect with online classes as they don't have any smartphone. And if the university or school plans to take online exams, they are also not give that exams. And the person who have internet issue, they are also not able to attend the classes. But what do you think? The teachers are not having the problems. The teachers are not facing the problems. My mother is the teacher, and I watched that she is also facing the problems. She recorded her lessons in the midnight when everyone is sleeping, because the video is not interrupted by anyone or any sound. Parents who were working from home are also facing problems, as they have to schedule their work according to their child classes, and if there is internet issue, they can't attend their classes and marked absent without her or his issue. Even I am attending the online classes and I am also facing these problems. It affects my eyesight so much that now I have to wear the specs, and it takes my time so much that I cannot do my self-study. Keeping the side disadvantages and advantages, this is necessary for the students. But we have no choice rather than to accept this, because the school did not open, as it is dangerous for children to go out. Thank you.